With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, question is fx is equals to x square minus 3x x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x minus 1 is many one into in R to R. Okay. Statement 2 is if function from R to R is polynomial of even degree, it will neither be injective nor surjective. So let's solve this problem. See, first of all, I am going to solve second statement. Then I will take reference of second statement to solve first statement. See, this is saying polynomial of even degree. Okay. So fx is equals to, suppose this is even degree polynomial. And there is one gx which is odd degree polynomial. Okay. So odd degree polynomial has at least one real root. At least one real root. This is the main concept which will solve this question. And even degree polynomial have at least 0 real root. So we don't have to do anything for even degree polynomial. Okay. Now see. I am going to differentiate this f dash x. So differentiation of even degree polynomial will become odd degree polynomial. Like if we'll differentiate x to the power 4, they differentiate this because this is even degree polynomial. So this will differentiation of this will become 4x cube. Okay, x squared 2x plus 4. So 4x cube, this is odd degree polynomial. This is odd degree polynomial. So even degree differentiation of even degree polynomial will become odd degree polynomial. Now, and odd degree polynomial has at least one real root. So f dash x will be equals to 0 for at least one x belongs to R, which means that this fx will have either one maxima or either one minima. Okay, at least one maxima or at least one minima. And if any function have at least one maxima or one minima, that function is many one, not one one. Okay, that function is many one. Here you can see in both graph this line curve 2 times. So even degree is neither injective. Injective means 1 1. Yes, this even degree polynomial is never injective. Okay, always many one. Nor surjective. Okay, and surjective. Surjective, see, even degree polynomial can have highest. Suppose this is degree 4 polynomial. So this can have highest 3 maxima or minima. So if we'll draw this curve, see, for degree 4, so this is point of minima. Now this is point of maxima and this is point of minima. Okay, maybe this curve will go down. Okay, and suppose this is our y-axis, sorry, x-axis, and this is our y-axis. So range will never be going to be R. Here you can see codomain is R. Codomain in the question is R. Codomain is R. So range of even degree polynomial is never R, but range of odd degree polynomial is always R. So from here we can write that this is concept range of even degree polynomial never R. So here in the question codomain is R and range is not R, which means that this is into, and into what is surjective? Surjective is onto. Okay, so here it is saying not onto. Not onto means into, which means that statement 2 is correct. And here if you see, now take the reference of second statement. This is even degree polynomial. So this is not injective. Okay, this is many one. Okay, and this is not surjective, which means that this is not onto, this is into. In R to R. In R to R is must. Okay, so statement 1 is also correct and statement 2 is correct explanation for statement 1. So option 1 is correct. Thank you, student.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.